जब तक आखिरी श्वास है तब तक संघर्ष है. But if God has given us, the strength also to tide over these challenges, these struggles.
So you have mentioned, Dr. Saab, till now, consulting and talking with your family, the loved ones, sharing with them. So it's a kind of a family-based psychotherapy कि आपको आपसे अच्छा तो आपके परिवार से ज्यादा
Yes,
जानता ही नहीं है.
connecting with your
Yes.
people, it's
And
important.
sharing with them your fears and frustrations and fascinations ki bhai, so somewhere or the other some counseling will come from the family itself. And then you talked about the mantra part of it all, that if you're feeling really stressed out and if you're on the verge of some panic, so that's a kind of an holding on whatever cosmic powers you believe in.
Yes,
You get onto that, and then rhythmic breathing, pranayama as it is called, International Yoga Day, is just
absolutely.
round the
There
corner.
is a very nice technique of the 5 4 3 2 1, which we
Mm-hmm.
say that spend 5 minutes, in seeing something beautiful, which is relaxing. 5 minutes, 4 minutes in feeling something, touch or
There are a lot of apps these days which help you
absolutely.
both the rhythmic
So
breathing, the pranayama, and then also the meditation part of it all.
yes.
So,
So the LFHST, the look, feel, hear, smell, touch, taste. So these are all the five senses. And how वो कहते हैं ना, इंद्रियों पर वशीकरण करना, विजय
mm,
पाना तो एक
mm,
बात है, पर इंद्रियों के माध्यम से जब आप अपने इक्विलिब्रियम को अटेन करते हैं, that's where the concept of picnic day comes. So when
mhm,
every day becomes a picnic, you see, भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति में तो जीवन को एक उत्सव बताया गया है कि
mm,
सात सात वार और नौ त्योहार. तो आपकी तो हमारी अगर संस्कृति की बात की जाए तो कितने फेस्टिवल्स हैं. There's so many
mhm.
occasions which are being created to encourage community interactions, to have the bonding, to have the feeling of joy. Somewhere in our rush for वो कहते हैं आर्थिक विकास के एक दौड़ में हम अपनी सभ्यता संस्कृति को भूलते जा रहे हैं. And somewhere that is taking a toll on our
नहीं,
society.
दौड़िए, दौड़ना मना नहीं है, पर इतना उस कंट्रोल्ड स्पीड से दौड़िए कि सीधा फिर ईआर में ना
संतुलन.
जाना पड़े. और फिर
Absolutely.
सारी जो वेल्थ है भाई, वी स्पेंड ऑल आवर हेल्थ, वी फॉर अर्निंग वेल्थ, एंड देन वी स्पेंड ऑल आवर wealth to
In
regain health,
restoring the health care.
which is not very easy as a trained medico from the prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Hospitals can just do some kind of patchwork, they can do some restoration, but once you have lost your core balance of health, both physical and mental, so I think it is very difficult to reach back to that normal. The new normal will always be compromised. Dr. Surbi, you're talking very, very beautifully, and today is such an epochal day where अन्नमय कोश से आनंदमय कोश की जो यात्रा बता रहे हैं, even to avoid panic, कि अन्नमय कोश में तो अच्छा खाइए, अच्छा tantalize your taste buds. We
Absolutely.
have
And
to, and yeah.
coming to the strategies, you have touched a very important point. Diet is very important. Diet पे हमने बात की है. Exercise, व्यायाम,
Hmm.
जैसे कहते हैं physical activity, that is also important. So
Crawl कीजिए, morning walk
yoga,
कीजिए, yeah.
walk, breathing, deep breathing exercises, yoga also. The International Yoga Day is approaching on 21st of June, and we all understand the importance of exercise, physical activity, go out for a stroll, you
इनके
know.
घर का काम भी जो है डॉक्टर साहब, की अगर जो हाउस
बिल्कुल ठीक.
हाउस के चोर्स हैं विच वी आर लीविंग, हम लोग
Absolutely.
आजकल वो फॉर सम मेड्स वी आर सो डिपेंडेंट कि इफ यू डू योर ओन डोमेस्टिक चोर्स, आई थिंक
True, true.
एक्सरसाइज हैपेंस ऑटोमेटिकली इफ यू आर नीडिंग द डो.
Absolutely. You see, it's recommended 150 minutes of physical activity daily. Now, 150 minutes is 2.5 hours. You're not going to spend 2.5 hours either in the gym or in the walk or in the exercise. How you're going to acquire those 150 minutes? And naturally, household work, even why only the lady, I should say, join the entire family should be doing the household chores together, cleaning the bathrooms even, or even cleaning the utensils, or wiping the floors, or putting